Shore power, check. Wi-Fi coming up momentarily. Hey there, thanks for watching me set up my camp. My name is Scott. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Go Small, Live Large. In this case, all about traveling in my camper van. This is an early autumn, early September afternoon, and it's absolutely spectacular weather. Let me walk you through what I've done so far and why. And what I'm gonna do next is put my lights up, put my fire can out, and then camp will be set up as soon as I unrack my bike. So you don't want to miss any of that, but let me walk you through what we've done so far so you understand what's going on. If you haven't done this before, this might be educational. If you have done this before, you probably kind of get it. So the first thing I like to do when I get here is just plug into power. This is shore power, 30 amps, goes right into the van. No surprises there. The next thing I like to do in this case, because I'm out of water, is fill the fresh water off the tap. And let me show you what I do with that, because I have two specific hoses in my rig. In this case, this is freshwater hose only. So I only use this to fill the fresh tank on board water. I do not connect my hose to the rig because it's just not a best practice. Check all the forums. The better thing to do is fill your tank, run off the water pump. I've always, in my over 5 years of travel, used my hose. This I've been using for the last year. This has been really nice. It's a Campground product that is readily available at Walmart's or online, Amazon, something like that. You always want to have a water pressure regulator. So I filled the tank, that's great. And the little overflow you saw is for my particular vehicle. This is a Winnebago Travato, and it has two overflow valves that will show when the tank is full, in addition to the gauge inside. Let me show you the setup inside. Once I have shore power, what I like to do is kind of get everything, lights on, right? I like to close the bathroom. I don't want to see the toilet. You probably don't either. I turn lights on. I open up the windows. Like that, get some fresh air in here. My Wi-Fi has come up at this point, so I'm going to get the music rolling. And let's dance, shall we? And that's kind of how we roll in here. Get my light on. I'm going to spin the cab seats around. Like that. And then like that. Opens up the cab real nice, right? Nice. The thing broke. What'd you think of that? So in just under 15 minutes or so, I've got my camp set up. Pretty awesome. Now, one great thing about camper vans, as you probably know, is if you're in a boondocking situation, you're in BLM dispersed camping situation, really when you put the rig in park, you're kind of at camp. In this case, I've got a nice campground for the night, so we are setting up camp. We're here for a few nights so I can get some work done. Let me walk you through what I've done so far to this point, and then we'll call it a wrap. Or got everything out of my box that I need. Plenty of space. All that used to be in my van. Now it's not. It's awesome. So this is my fire can. I discovered this at REI. This is a propane firebox and kind of an ammo box. Super cool. We'll turn this on tonight because it gets about 50 degrees at night. This is my gas growler. It holds about 4 or 5 of those green propane things. Fill it up. It's about a gallon, maybe 2. I don't know. We're probably going to fire up the grill tomorrow night. You might ask why I use this versus the fire pit. I do enjoy somebody else's wood fire, but I have found in all my travels that you know, as pretty as they are, they're kind of a lot of work. They're really stinky, most important to me, stinky. So that's why I'm not doing that. I unrack my bike so that I can buzz around camp, maybe go to the destination that's real close and get a little exercise in between work. I've got my bug spray. This is probably overkill, but I use Raid to kind of spray around the table, and this is to spray my body to keep the bugs off me and off my table. And with that, camp is set up. Let me know what you think. What are your camp routines like? Let me show you this cool element up here. Own little private deck, unless I get a neighbor. But it's pretty cool. Even got a little stream. Right? It's so beautiful in the morning. You see the cornfield over here? Oh yeah. Many of you are anti-RV park campgrounds. You might ask yourself, why am I doing this? The reason I do campgrounds like this, RV parks, I usually try to find KOAs because I just find that they're really consistent on quality, amenities, and I try to do them on weekdays versus weekends. This is currently a Tuesday afternoon. And the reason I do campgrounds is because I'm usually running rogue, street camping, harvest hosting, staying at a friend's driveway or something like that for 3, 4, 5 days. And it's just nice to come to a good old KOA to plug in, do tank duty, fresh water, gray water, black water, do laundry. And I've just found it's a real comfort after being on the road for a number of days, just to sit still, park, plug in, enjoy the Wi-Fi, enjoy the music, get shit done so I can rinse and repeat. And when I haul out of here in a couple of days, I repeat the process all over again. And this is just a really lovely campground. This is in Indianapolis. I specifically chose this spot, as I always do, to be away from the RVs, because while I like the amenities of a campground, I really don't like looking at RVs. Just saying. I'm usually the only van in town, which is kind of okay too. If you got anything out of this video, sure appreciate you giving a thumb up. Subscribe if you haven't already. We bring you a lot of travel videos, van travel videos, cruise travel videos, backpack videos. All means of travel is cool in my book. My name's Scott. Thank you for watching. We'd like to say journey on and peace be with you. See you later.